Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. My name is TechwithBunmi. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us lectures on how you can promote your affiliate link with impact.com using Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest marketing is very essential to us as affiliate marketers because that's the way you can make your money very quick with ad work. It's not a quick reach, right? You have to post consistently on Pinterest for you to be able to see your results. Okay, and you don't even need to use any paid ad. If you don't want to use paid ad for promoting your affiliate products or your business, you can use your Pinterest account. So why is it important for us to promote our brand or business or affiliate links on Pinterest? Okay, as you can see, visitors from Pinterest are most likely to convert into leads or sales faster than from other social media sources. Where to go? Pinterest. Sometimes it's good to think of Pinterest as a big virtual search engine. People often turn to it during the research phase of their planning. Also, here it says people use Pinterest to discover new brand and shop their products with a business account. You will have more tools to help reach this audience and grow your business. For example, you will gain access to ads, analytics, and custom audience insights. Also, it has over 522 million monthly active users. Despite that huge number, it's still somehow somewhat of a niche social platform with a much smaller user base than its bigger competitors like Facebook and Instagram. If you're not using Pinterest, please endeavor to start using Pinterest now, and in 2025, try as much as possible to make it your best friend. Okay? So now, let's get started as I've explained the reason why Pinterest is important for you to promote your link and to make money fast, but you have to be consistent with it. It's not a quick rich business, right? But we just have to be consistent with it. So right now, let's go to our impact.com. We're going to be promoting Namecheap. Okay, so come to brands, and you click on my brands. So we want to promote Namecheap, right? So as you can see, there is create link and ad set. Let's click on ad set. So we can decide to choose any of this link to promote, and this is the tracking. We can copy this tracking link and use it with our Pinterest account. Okay, but before, we're going to be coming back to this impact.com. So let's go create our Pinterest pin with Canva. If we don't have Canva, kindly sign up for the free account with Canva. I can put the link in the description for you to sign up. And I use Pro for you to be efficient with your designs. I would encourage us to sign up for the Pro account, but if not, you can still use the free version of Canva. Okay, so I'm going to click on Pinterest pin. Is it? So as you can see, so you can search for your Pinterest pin here, and as you can see, I have it showing up in front of me. So I'm going to click here, but if you don't have any here, you can always search for Pinterest pin here, and it's to bring out the template. So I'm going to click on Pinterest pin, and this is the ratio. It's giving us different templates that we can use to sell our products, right? So I can choose this one. I can decide to choose this one, right? And it also gives me more options, more options. So I selected 3 designs, right? So I'm going to go for this first. Let's go back to our impact.com. So as you can see, we have images that we can use for our design. We have videos, right? We have videos we can use. You can actually download it In fact, impact.com has made our business very easy without stress. And this is a tracking link. You can always use this link, right? We have I don't think if there's no email and there's no, these are coupons also. You can use this. So well, I need the image. I'm going to design with our image. So I'm going to choose one of these. Let me choose this. Then I'm going to download, right? So I come back to Canva and I delete this picture. I come to upload. I upload my design. As you can see, let me try to design it, then I'll be right back. So I'm going to delete some stuff I don't need here. I'm going to delete this. Then I'm going to put my title here. Or perhaps I can remove the box. Anyways, let's leave the box there and let's design. Let me design it and I will be right back because I don't want this video to be too long. So, tech lovers, can you see our end result? I created 3 designs for the purpose of this video, and we're going to download right now, and I'm going to lecture us on how to upload it on Pinterest. So we come here, share, download. I will download all 3 and increase the size for good quality. Then I download. So we'll come to Pinterest. We'll choose a file and drag our design, and we'll scroll up. I'll come to gallery and I'm going to upload my first design here, as you can see. Then let's add our title. I'll come to ChatGPT. I'll tell ChatGPT to generate a viral title for Pinterest. Create a short description on. Then I'll paste my stuff on this. Then I'll tell ChatGPT to include add hashtags. Okay, then we click on. So as you can see, ChatGPT is giving us this. Let me go to our Pinterest. I will copy this and come to Pinterest, and I'll paste our title here. I will also come back here and add our short description, right? Copy, and I would. So as you can see, we have the title, we have our write-up here, and I put a disclaimer. This post contains an affiliate link. I will earn a small commission if you purchase anything via my link. Thank you. Most people, they don't usually put this, but it's always good to add it to your post so that the people clicking on your post, they're going to trust you, and it brings this customer relationship with both of you, right? We have to be transparent. Then we're going to add my link, the link that, so I can as well use my tracking link, like, yeah. So I'll use my tracking link. Let's copy it. Let's open a new tab. Let me see if it's going to open. Paste. Voila. It's loading. Okay, so we have the correct link. So I'll come back to my Pinterest, then I'm going to add this link. You don't shorten the link because impact.com, the Pinterest already know the transaction between both parties. Even if it has these numbers on it, do not shorten it, right? So let me add my board. So I'm creating a new board, online service growth, or I can call it online business service growth. So keep this board a secret. No, if you keep it a secret, only you can find it and your collaboration. And we want our product to go public, right? So we can create here. We can create, and I'm going to add my tag. You can add as many tags as like 3 to 4 tags. So we can publish this now or we publish later. For as we have our designs now, like our pin, our Pinterest pin, you have to be consistent with it. I would advise us to post 3 or 4 times daily, right? And you can use Canva to make your design. You can schedule your post here, as you can see. I'm going to be putting the timing, peak period timing on this video. We have peak period, so I'm going to be scheduling this for 2 p.m. for tomorrow, right? And we've come to the end of our tutorials. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now. So I'm going to schedule